gardening is not always an excessive effort. You can always do it on a smaller scale. One of that, one easy way is to grow your microgreens. You might have seen them in the stores. They're so damn expensive. But growing microgreens is nothing but something that our ancestors did, but now it has come as a fancy way. So this is nothing but a date box. I'm using a plastic box. We are just going to put some holes. These are the draining holes. This is one of the most critical thing in gardening, drainage. Oh my goodness, look at that box. Okay, take help. If you cannot drill holes, you can always use, I'm using the manual screwdriver.
Watch your hand.
Yeah, that should be good enough. Okay, important thing, drainage holes, because if there are no drainage holes, there is going to be mold. Okay, so growing micronutrients, the good part is you do not need soil. It's called the soilless medium, which is nothing but the coco peat. So from just one brick of coco peat, after soaking, this is what we have. There's such a big bowl, which means it's going to be on a cheaper scale. All that we need is a box with drainage holes. Add the coco peat, which is going to be the growing medium. Okay, and you do not need too much. You just need little. So I don't even know how much it is in inches, maybe ½ inch. I just pressing it down. You can see the water has started draining. That is the good sign. That is what we want. And now the microgreens, it can be with any seeds. Like our ancestors have used all the beans. That's nothing but the micro beans, microgreens. What am I saying? But today what I'm going to use is nothing but, in Marathi we call this as, I'm trying to remember.
Olive.
Olive, yes. In Hindi, yeah, do let me know what is it called. But in English it is called cress. Okay, one of the very high nutrient. Okay, let's see. The seeds look like these. Okay, what you need to do is just put them on the medium slightly. Okay, so I'll show in the camera how it looks. I've got this from the Indian market. This is what it is called. It's a bit difficult to find, but it's in the spice area where the mustard and everything is here. See how the seeds are. Okay, they're quite dense. You can spread it around, but you have to just press it against the medium. Okay, the coco peat. The coco peat is nothing but the coconut husk. Okay, it's not expensive at all. You can find it in stores like Home Depot or order it from Amazon, whatever works well for you. And now the trick. Okay, I'm going to close this. Now the trick to get this growing, it's something that our ancestors followed too. It just needs darkness, 2 days. Okay, so you just keep it wherever. You can keep it in the oven, that is also fine. It needs warmth and dark, because that's how the seeds are going to start sprouting. I'm just right now going to cover it with a vessel. We're going to keep this for 2 days and come back with the video. Meanwhile, you can start getting your seeds, your medium, and follow us for lovely, beautiful micro greens.
आणि कोणी अळीवाचे लाडू केले असतील तर बोलवा.
Oh, yum, yum, yum. My mouth is watering. But thank you for watching. Bye.